about aldutery when I left, and I was talking about unfaithfulness. I remember, because I was coming to aldutery. Aldutery is about unfaithfulness, and aldutery is extramarital what? Affair. So ways in which the church responds to issues related to adultery is it prays for those people who are adulterers to change their ways. Also, the church preaches about how marriage is sacred. That is, remember that marriage is instituted by God. So the church preaches about this institution. And if you are adulterers in the church, you are dropped from leadership positions. Does it happen in your churches? Because if people know you are adulterers, you are dropped. Are you dropped? Ask yourself in your church whether you know there's a leader who is adulterers and then they are dropped. Does it occur? Don't lie. They're supposed to be dropped. Also, they are supposed to be barred from participating in church activities. For example, if they were leader in the men's congregation or men's group, they're supposed to step down. Also, the church organizes seminars of family life. These are supposed to also to mold you as a couple and as a family, so that if any one of you has extramarital status, can change their ways, and or if anyone wants to get into it, they can refrain from getting into it or getting influence